Good evening, boys and girls. Yesterday we learned lattice multiplication. Today we're going to be learning traditional multiplication with two-digit numbers. Okay, so I'm going to give you some arrows that may not make sense right now, but I'm going to go ahead and give them to you and show them how we're going to implement them into this multiplication problem. Okay, so we have a down arrow, a slantways up arrow, slantways down, and then an up arrow. Now, before we go on, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a little box above the problem that I had pictured. We have an addition symbol, and this is going to be where we carry our numbers so that they're in a specific spot so we don't get confused. First, we're going to go down from the ones place. You're going to start in the ones place at the top and go down to the ones place at the bottom. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 5, which is 10. You put the 0 in the ones place and carry the 1. Then we're going to go from the ones place at the bottom and go up to the tens place at the top. 5 multiplied by 4 is 20, plus the 1 that we carried is 21. Now, to make this a little bit easier on y'all, we're going to cross out the numbers that we've already used so that y'all don't get confused when we continue. Now, the next arrow is going slantways down. So we're going to start at the ones place and go down to the tens place at the bottom. 2 multiplied by 8 is 16. You put the 6 in the tens place because we're working with the tens place number. So 2 multiplied by 8 is 16. We put the 6 there and carry the 1. And then we're going to go from tens place at the bottom back to the tens place at the top. 8 multiplied by 4 is 32, plus 1 is 33. Now, before I go on, you see there's a little bow tie there. So by the time you finish the traditional multiplication method, you're going to have a bow tie in between your numbers. Now, we are going to place a 0 here because we did not need to fill the ones place because we had filled it at the top. So you're going to put a 0 there. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 6 is 7. 2 plus 3 is 5, and 3 plus nothing is 3. Now, I'm going to write down a couple of problems for you to use for your homework tonight, and you can bring them to the class tomorrow, and if you have any questions, I'll be able to answer those for you. So I have 25 multiplied by 93. 31 multiplied by 24, and 87 multiplied by 16. Hope y'all understand, and I'll see you in class tomorrow.